Love and light from me, Zelda, to you. Mental health. My first series is about self love, but this series is about mental health, self esteem, and self. Let's look in why a healthy self esteem is important. In a previous video, I spoke about what it is. What is self esteem? It is important to have a good self esteem. Let's see why. It impacts your decision making process, your relationships, your emotional health, and your overall well being. It also influences motivation, as people with a healthy, positive view of themselves understand their potential and may feel inspired to take on new challenges. So, the more you believe in yourself, the more you will go for things you want. But if you have the mentality of, I'm a failure, I'm not good enough, you won't go ahead. You will go backwards. But we want to go ahead in life, right? So it's very important. Let's see the characteristics of a healthy self esteem. How do you know if you have one? One, a firm understanding of one's skills. So you know all your skills and you know what you can do with that skills. Number two, the ability to maintain healthy relationships with others as a result of having a healthy relationship with oneself. So to have a good relationship, work-wise, family-wise, friendship, marriage, you need to have a good relationship with yourself and with God to be able to maintain a healthy relationship. And the only way you can do that is also you need to love yourself and then have a good, strong self esteem. Number three, realistic and approachable personal expectation. Four, an understanding of one's needs and the ability to express those needs. Having a healthy self esteem can help motivate you to reach your goals because you're able to navigate life knowing you can reach it by setting goals and your mind to it. A mind is very strong. You can go look at soldiers. They can be in war in the most horrible situations and how they survive because of their mind. They don't think, oh, we are here, we stuck, we what? No, they think, I have to get out of here. I can get out of here. I can survive. So it's all about your mindset and how you love yourself and your self worth. With healthy self esteem, you are able to set appropriate boundaries in relationships and any kind of relationship and maintain a healthy relationship with yourself and others. Why a healthy self esteem is important as well. This is part B. Healthy self esteem is important because people with low self esteem tend to feel less sure of their abilities and may doubt their decisions making process. They may not feel motivated to try novel things because they don't believe they can reach their goals. And if you don't have goals in life, what do you live for? If you have goals and you reach it, it makes you feel good. So set goals for you. Believe you can reach it. As a low self-esteem person, you can have issues with relationships and expressing your needs. You may express low levels of confidence and feel unlovable and unworthy. And if you can't love yourself, how must anyone else love you? If you don't like yourself, how will anyone else love you? Then people with overly high self esteem, be careful. not to have it too high. Then your pride and ego comes in the way, and then it causes much more problems. You must have a healthy self-esteem. But then people with overly high self-esteem may overestimate their skills and may feel entitled to succeed, even without the abilities to back up their beliefs in themselves. So it's important to have the right balance and not to get cocky. They may struggle with relationship issues and block themselves from self improvement because they are so fixated on seeing themselves as perfect. And remember, nobody is perfect. We are human. We will make mistakes. We live in a sinful world. So don't ever let pride and ego take over your life. That's not a good self esteem. That's thinking you're better than others and better than many things. Through self esteem and a good self esteem, always stay humble. If you lose your humbleness, then you're going to get in trouble and fail. And when you fail, you're going to feel like a failure. Always stay realistic. Love and light. Like, share, comment, and follow, please. Support my page on the series to see the next. Love you.